All right, guys, here's to another terrible release from Jordan Brand. Trophy Room, we all know it's about to go down, and they doing the EQL raffle. Hey, I'm telling y'all right now, it's gonna be a crazy, terrible release, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. And in today's video, like I said, we're gonna be talking about the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 lows, and if it's anything like the first Trophy Room freeze outs, the freeze out game, it's gonna be a movie, bro. It's gonna be one to be talked about for a couple of weeks, maybe even a couple months after the drop. Before we get any further in today's video, right now, what I need everybody to do, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the channel, man. So like I said, man, do those three things for your boy, and we're gonna jump right into the video. All right, I usually like to give you guys tips and tricks to try to get into this drop, you know what I'm saying, for retail. But like I said, due to them doing a raffle through EQL, through their site, it's gonna be something a little bit different than what I'm used to seeing. You know, usually we used to seeing, you know, raffles on their site without that EQL stuff. But with the EQL, if they're still doing it how they did it last year, there will be a $5 fee. So that's the first thing to, you know what I'm saying, point out to remember when you are going for these sneakers, which will be happening today. I got it pulled up right now. Literally, you can go on Trophy Room's you know, Instagram page, and they have the whole, you know, promo, where you can get it, what time it starts, when it ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and read it all for you guys so you know you're in the know. Like I said, I'm kind of new to, like I said, the EQL raffle. This is my first time even having a fair shot, I feel like, of trying to get a pair of Trophy Rooms. So let's make sure we both know what's going on with these Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 lows, which they not even all that. It is a dope shoe. It's a dope design. It's a dope, you know, presentation, the whole, you know, theme of the shoe. But as far as anything like crazy, like the freeze out game, like the first Trophy Rooms, the blue laces, them things went crazy. In fact, these are a couple tiers below the first Air Jordan 1 highs that we did get from Trophy Room. So go ahead and head over to Trophy Room, and you guys see it right here, man. Check it out, check it out. So you click on the second post that they do have on the Instagram, and it literally says everything. So the draw opens via EQL run fair raffle on Monday, which is today at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So here within the next couple of hours, they will be doing a raffle on these sneakers, and it closes Wednesday, March the 13th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you have like literally a whole 3 days to enter for this shoe, to make sure you got your funds right when you are, you know what I'm saying, trying to go for these joints. And then on Thursday, the winners will be announced. Hopefully it's like, you know, a little bit more seamless, a little bit more smooth. I remember when I tried to enter for the Trophy Room 7s and even the first Trophy Rooms, I literally didn't get any emails back. I didn't hear any communication back from Trophy Room store. So hopefully with this new EQL, you know, the pairs aren't all backdoor like the first drop, and it is a fair opportunity for all of us to grab these things. But I do have one suggestion from Nike, from Jordan Brand, or to them, to, you know, make these releases a little bit more user friendly. I think they should all run them through sneakers app. Like, bro, this whole Trophy Room thing where they backdoor pairs, you can't figure out how to enter, you're not getting any communication from Trophy Room. I would just run everything through Nike and Jordan, like sneakers app. They have more, you know, technology. They used to doing these big releases. If you want to curb, you know, everybody being upset about everything being backdoored, just run it through your site and just have Trophy Room kind of tailor along to it, but not to where it's run through this EQL raffle. Like, you don't enter an EQL raffle when you're trying to hit sneakers on the sneakers app, you feel me? So that's my suggestion. I know they ain't listening to me, but to, you know, avoid all the confusion, just do everything through the sneakers app. That's just what I think will be best for these hype releases like the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 lows today. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys did enter the raffle, you come to after, you know what I'm saying, the drop, let me know down below in the comment section. Very interested in knowing. Quick little video, just wanted to chop it up with you guys. Me, myself, I will be entering. If I do hit on a pair, that'd be crazy. I got the Trophy Room 7s, never had the Trophy Room 1s or any of the Trophy Rooms that they ever dropped. So hopefully today or on Thursday when they announce the winners, your boy got that huge dub, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content. And if you guys want to win a free pair of Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagines, go check out my Instagram. That's all I'm gonna say, man. Appreciate all the support. Again, thanks for tapping in. All that's being said, man, your boy DeVintage will catch you in the next video, man. Peace.